Hi, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Soft Tech Sharing. Have you ever ordered pizza online? Imagine this. You pick your toppings, make the payment, and track the delivery. All these tasks are handled by the app. But here's the cool part. These tasks are managed by separate services working together behind the scenes. This is the idea of microservices, and today we will talk about it in simple terms. Microservices architecture is a way of building applications by splitting them into smaller, independent parts called services. Each service focuses on one specific task. For example, in a pizza delivery app, there could be one service for handling orders, another for managing payments, and a third for tracking deliveries. This is different from monolithic architecture, where the whole app is one big block of code. In a monolithic app, if one part fails, like the payment system, the whole app could stop working. With microservices, if the payment service goes down, the order and delivery services can still work fine. Let's use the pizza delivery app to make it clearer. Imagine the app has 3 services. The order service handles the menu, takes your order, and confirms it. The payment service processes your payment securely, talking to your bank and confirming the transaction. And the delivery service tracks the location of the delivery person and updates you in real time. These services are like teammates in a relay race. Each does its part, passes the information to the next, and together, they ensure you get your pizza. Here's a key question. How do these services work together? They communicate through APIs, which are like messengers that pass information between services. For example, the order service tells the payment service the customer owes $20. Once the payment is confirmed, the payment service informs the delivery service, the order is paid, start delivering. It's all done with short, clear messages. Now that you know how they work, let's talk about why microservices are so popular. Scalability. If the app suddenly gets 1,000 new users, you can add more servers just for the order service without affecting the others. Reliability. If one service, like payment, breaks down, the other parts like tracking or menu browsing still work. Flexibility. Each service can be built using different tools or programming languages. For example, the order service could use Python, while the payment service uses Java. Of course, microservices aren't perfect. They come with their own set of challenges. Complexity. Instead of managing one system, you're managing many smaller ones. It's like juggling multiple balls instead of just one. Communication issues. Since services talk to each other over a network, a delay or failure in one service can slow things down. Debugging problems. When something goes wrong, finding the root cause is harder because you have to check multiple services. A great example of microservices in action is Netflix. It uses microservices to handle different tasks like streaming videos, showing recommendations, and managing user accounts. If the recommendation service fails, you can still watch your favorite shows because the streaming service keeps working. To build and manage microservices, developers use tools like Docker for packaging services, Kubernetes for managing them, and API gateways like Kong to control communication. These tools help make microservices more efficient and easier to manage. Microservices architecture is a powerful way to build reliable, scalable, and flexible applications. By splitting apps into smaller, focused services, companies can adapt to changes and grow faster. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech content. Let me know in the comments what part of microservices you'd like me to dive deeper into. See you in the next video.